Hello everyone, today we are going to see how can we remove text from any video. So simply you have to click the link in the description or head over to freeairvideotools.com. Then you simply have to click this button. Now you will see the login page. Simply you have to log in through Google account. Then you will see drag and drop option. Simply you can select your video in which you have watermark. Then here your cursor will change into this masking tool. You simply have to mask the portion where the logo and watermarks are appearing. You can multiple mask the video. You can see the export quality options here and the region. You can delete and redraw the masking. Once everything looks good, click remove text button. Depending on your video's length, the tool may take some moment to process your video. For demonstrating purpose, I have put it 5-second clip. Now you can clearly see the results.